All right, so showed you the juicing process the other day. This is the cleanup process of my Vitamix. As long as you keep everything kind of wet, like you rinse it out after you empty it, like this, cleanup's a breeze. So I just start by rinsing out all the particles, put some soap, good old Dawn. Grease fighting soap, I guess it's called. And let's see, I don't want to waste any water. So, you just sponge around it. You can throw these in the dishwasher. I don't use a dishwasher. I don't have one currently, except myself. And just, quick wipe inside. Very simple, very quick. I think doing smoothies is so much faster and easier, and I think they're even healthier for you than just juicing alone. But I kind of combine the two in this. But this saves me the work of cleaning out a juicer using the Suja juice. And like I said, literally minutes. Whole thing's submersible. Doesn't matter. Done. Time.